Yay, you guys! This is my first video blog and I am very excited, and I really hope that you enjoy watching it as much as I am going to enjoy making it. Life of adventure. Feeling awesome. I'm just hanging out on the top of this ledge right now. I am Michelle McCoy, founder of Autumn Flow, and creating hoop videos is a very big part of running my business, whether it be promo videos for the Hoops in our Autumn Flow shop or hoop tutorials for my online courses, YouTube, and so on. I'm also an avid nature lover, and I just love to get outside and explore as much as I can. So on my filming days, I figured why not mix my passions for nature and hooping and filming and bring my videos outside when I'm in my element and at my most authentic self. So it's kind of become a theme with Autumn Flow, just bringing the hoop outside and getting inspired by nature. So I figured I would give you a behind the scenes look of a typical day with me filming, hiking, and hooping, and just show you a little bit of what I put into these videos, because it's really important for me to connect with my audience as well. So I'm not leaving till tomorrow. Tomorrow is my nature filming day, but I always have a ton of prep to do the day before, especially since my mornings are so chaotic with trying to get my kids ready and to preschool. So the day before, I always check the weather for wherever I plan on going, map out my routes, and just make sure I have everything that I need to bring with me. So that's about all of the prepping I can do for today. Tomorrow morning I'm going to pick out my hoops because every day I'm in the mood to use different hoops. I'll definitely bring some HDPE hoops because those are more durable in colder weather, and it's going to be a little bit chilly at first in the morning. And then I'll just pack up the car, get my kids ready, pack them up, and then we will be on the road. Good morning! It is nature filming day and the sun is shining for now. And I'm on my way to drop off the boys at preschool. Say good morning, Hooping World!
Good morning, Hooping World!
You guys ready to go to school? Woohoo! I'm kid-free and on my way to do some waterfall hunting. I love my kids to death, but they are lots of energy for way too early in the morning. And if you have young children, I'm sure that you can understand why I need so much nature therapy. But anyways, I am on my way to Jasper, which is about an hour and a half drive away from Mountain Home where I live. Jasper is one of my very favorite places in the whole world. And I'm gonna try to find Balance Rock Falls, which I have not been to before. And I ran into a lovely couple last weekend while hiking with my 5-year-old son, who gave me directions to get there because it's not on any map or GPS system. It's not even in my waterfall book. There's no trail to it. You kind of just have to find it by word of mouth and do some bushwhacking through the woods. So typically the areas that I go explore are a 45-minute to 2-hour drive away, and that's each way. So I do a lot of driving, and I try to get out and do this at least once a week. Spending time in nature and in solitude really resets me and re-energizes me and helps me to keep a good, healthy balance in my life. So when I am driving, I spend a lot of time on the way there preparing for the videos that I plan on shooting that day, practicing and memorizing the verbiage and just visualizing the flow of the video and the vibe that I'm going for. So today I plan on shooting a video covering a bunch of ideas for how to transition out of a chest roll, and also maybe a tutorial over a fun little combo I use a lot in my flow. So I got about half an hour of drive time left, and I pulled over to stretch my legs for a minute, and it's got a really pretty view. So I thought I would just show it to you real quick. I'm going inside because it's cold and I don't have my coat on and it's windy, so I'm hoping that the wind isn't too crazy today. Okay, so I just parked at this low water bridge and I'm gonna walk across it real quick. Whew, I'm catching my breath. My pack is really heavy and having my hoop strapped to it and having my hoops get caught on like branches and stuff does not help. Plus I'm carrying my tripod. But I found the creek and there have been little pink ribbons along the way following it upstream. So that is a good sign. So I'm bushwhacking along this little creek and it's starting to get kind of steep. So I've been out here bushwhacking along this little drainage for a while now, and I have not seen a pink ribbon in a while. And the water flow is starting to stop. So I'm thinking I'm following up the wrong drainage. And dude, I am sweating. I had to take off my coat and sit down for a few minutes and take a water break because I've been out here a little bit. I love the challenge of finding these places. It is definitely all worth it. And Balanced Rock Falls, I will find you. I have hiked probably about 1.5 miles and no sign of Balanced Rock Falls. I keep stumbling across all of these really pretty smaller falls like the one behind me. It kind of looks like a water slide. If it was warmer, I would totally slide down. I think I'm finally heading in the right direction. I think that the people who gave me directions meant to say take a left instead of taking a right. I think I was on the way wrong side of the mountain. So I think I followed the creek the wrong way. So now I am following the creek the right way, I believe, upstream. I'm gonna have to cross it a couple times, probably right over there above those little cascades. And keep going. That's always my motto. Just keep going. I survived! And the bandana goes on because my hair has gone crazy. And I just fell and biffed it right down, climbing right up there. I ruined my leggings and got pretty wet. But right after that, I came up here and guys, I found it! Woo! Balanced Rock Falls. I can see it right over there. Right up there, that's where it is. Yeah! I'm just sitting here soaking it all in. Usually when I get to a waterfall, I like to just be still and present and just meditate, and then I'll start taking photos and getting set up to film. So right now I am just taking some pictures of this beautiful waterfall, and I'll give you a little sneak peek. So I am on my way hiking back down from Balanced Rock Falls. I am so psyched that I finally found it, even though it took me 3 hours and lots of miles of bushwhacking. But I had a wonderful time there, exploring, hooping, and meditating. There were not any flat areas to shoot tutorials, so I might do that at another spot on my way back down to the car. But I'm just totally getting in my nature vibe and feeling awesome. I'm just hanging out on the top of this ledge right now. This is just one of the falls that you pass hiking back down. So I just finished up shooting the chest roll transitions video. I'm excited I got that done today with all of the craziness of trying to find that waterfall. And now I'm gonna start heading back to the car because the sun is gonna set soon. car. I think I got a lot of footage from today that I have to edit, and I'm gonna go take my socks and my shoes off in the car and blast the heat on my feet and have a snack and then start heading home. So I'm in the car warming up and I'm just about out of daylight, so I wanted to quickly shoot this last clip to end my video vlog. And I want to just start out by saying thank you so much for watching and coming on this adventure with me. It truly means a lot to me. I appreciate each and every one of my followers, and I love, love, love what I do, and I love being able to combine my passions and channel that energy for sharing and inspiring and encouraging others along my hoop journey, my nature journey, and just my journey for life. And have a beautiful day. I'll see you next time. Mwah.